Wow! These memes are gold. Just one more scroll, and then I'll get up and be productive. Wait, didn't I say the same thing an hour ago? Well, time flies when you're having fun, right? But it's okay, I still have the entire day ahead of me. Have you ever realized how we spend more time scrolling than actually living? Like, I just spent 30 minutes looking at cat videos. I don't even have a cat. Right? But come on, those cats were hilarious. And look at this. A new recipe I'll never cook. Let me save that for later. You know, I could be learning something new right now. I could work out, read a book, or even start a hobby. But nope. Here I am, scrolling endlessly, while my to-do list grows longer by the second. But hey, at least I'm staying informed about celebrity gossip, viral trends, and a bunch of stuff I'll forget in 10 minutes. Okay, this has to stop. Phones are fun and all, but we're spending more time with them than with people or ourselves. Maybe it's time to take control back. Just for today. Maybe put the phone down and do something real. Or, just one last scroll. Nope. I'm done for real this time. Don't let your phone be the only thing that gets your time. Disconnect to reconnect.